15th September of 2018. This was an incredible day in Finfiane, or Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia. It was a day more than 4 million people gathered to celebrate and welcome the return of the Oromo Liberation Front group that has been in Eritrea for decades. They are the most recent of many opposition groups that have chosen to return to Ethiopia, where there is reason to hope that the political space will exist for people to struggle for their causes without having to rely on an army to fight for that freedom. Untold numbers of people have lost their life, dedicated their entire life's energy, spent time in prison, lost family members, been separated from family, suffered torture and so much more, in the hope to see a day like today where the symbols, unity and sheer number of Oromo people can be on display in this beautiful way. Where they can openly celebrate and honor the flag and the sacrifices of those who've sought to maintain identity, culture, language and autonomy under toxic and violent regimes that sought to erase, deny and ridicule all of that. Most recently, the Oromo youth, the Cairo and Kare, have led the resistance and protests that made possible the changes in Ethiopia. They deserve the lion's share of the credit for the recent releases of prisoners and the return of many opposition groups, which have not only benefited the Oromo people, but have brought much needed changes to the whole country. The work to turn those hopes for change into fair elections and policies has barely begun, but this day's gathering was a long-awaited moment that will not be forgotten. This short documentary has brought to you by Isaac Mo from Bulletin Media. Love does not claim possession. It would rather gives freedom.